Good morning. So, today we will see the third chapter of your general knowledge book, that is mammals. Mammals are animal that have hair, are warm blooded, मतलब गर्म खून जिनका होता है, and nourish their young with milk. That means जो वो अपने बच्चों को जो है वो कैसे नरिश करते हैं, पालते पोसते हैं अपने मिल्क से. रीड अबाउट द फॉलोइंग मैमल्स एंड नेम देम. सो यहाँ पे कुछ मैमल्स के बारे में दिया हुआ है, आपको बताना है ये कौन से मैमल्स है. तो नंबर वन, दीज मैमल्स आर लाइक rodents that spends much of their time in river and lakes. They feed mainly on the bark of tree and also use wood in the form of twigs and branches to build their river bank burrows called lodges, and that mammals is beavers. The second one is, this mammal is the largest member of the deer family, standing 2.2 meter at the shoulder, with huge disc antlers and a large beard मतलब दाढ़ी under the chin, and that is mouse. The third one is, dash is a mammal which grow to a length of 2 meter and has a long narrow head with a pig like snout and long ears, and that is I think adderwort. And the fourth one is, dash is the largest of the primates. Despite its furious appearance, it is a shy मतलब शर्माने वाला, शर्मिला, retiring creature, becoming aggressive only when threatened or irritated. ऐसे तो मतलब इसके बारे में बोला जाता है ये शर्मीला है, बट ये बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सैल हो जाता है जब इसको कोई तंग करता है या इरिटेट करता है. एंड दैट मैमल इज गोरिल्ला. The fifth one is, Dax is a strange South American mammal. It is a tree living creature spending the whole of his life hanging upside down from the branches of the tree, and that is sloth. Sloth जो है इसके बारे में बोला जाता है कि ये अपने जीवन का आधा से ज़्यादा समय सोकर ही बिताता है. ये बहुत सोता है और इसके बारे में ये हफ्ते में या महीने में एक दो बार ही नीचे आता है, और ये जो सोता है ये हमेशा पेड़ से उल्टा लटका रहता है. डैश, sixth one is, dash are extremely strange mammal. They are primitive egg laying mammals, and that is echinda. The seventh one is, dash are living marsupial mammals living in the forest and plains of Australia. They have long tails and slightly mule shaped head, and that is kangaroo. The eighth one is, dash look rather like a small gray bear. It has a large head and nose and big hairy ears. Its name means no drink, and the animal obtains all the moisture it requires from the leaves and bark. Cola. ठीक है, that is cola. Now here, speed, high on speed, there are some impressively fast animal on the land as well as in the sea and air. They are as fast as the car we have. मतलब ये इतने फास्ट है जितना हमारे पास कार है उस हिसाब से. Let's us read about such speedster and fill in the block with the correct answer. So here are the clue given. Let's see. It is the fastest sea animal which can read speed up to 60 miles per hour. They choose warm ocean water to live, found within the surface area of the ocean, and that is, here you can see, shellfish. The second one is, this animal is native to Africa and Asia, found in open areas. They make use of their tail to steer right direction of the run. Their chases for prey meet success within 40 to 60 seconds, and that is cheetah. Here it is given. The third one is, this bird is blessed with the largest wingspan to its body weight and can fly as fast as 95 mph. It is spent most of its life spent in the sky and used to touch the ground rarely, and that is frigate bird. The fourth one is, this little creature can run extremely fast, reaching a speed of up to 47 miles per hour, and that is brown hare. The fifth one is, it is the second fastest animal species on earth. It is a native to Central Asia and Siberia and can gain top flying speed of 106 mph, and that is spine tail um, swift. The last one is, it is capable of reaching speed up to 200 mph while a dive, making it a fearsome hunter. It is fastest animal on the planet when a dive when in a dive, and that is peregrine falcon. Now here you can see fungi. It is this chapter is about fungi. Fungi are a very widespread and important group of plant. Nearly a third of all plant are fungi. मतलब हर तीसरे प्लांट जो आप देखोगे उसमें से एक आपका फंगी होगा ही. They are helpful to human in brewing and baking industry and as a source of antibiotic. ये जो है फंगी, ये जो है लिविंग बींग को, एनिमल जो है ये सॉरी मतलब ह्यूमन बींग जो है उनकी बहुत मदद करता है. बहुत सारे ऐसे, जैसे वो लोग को बेकिंग करना हो, ब्रूइंग करना हो, या एंटीबायोटिक किसी चीज़ का बनाना हो. जैसे अ फंगस डैट is used to make a powerful antibiotic drug, and that is penicillium here. The second one is dash, a type of fungus is used to make beer and wine and also to make bread rise, and that is yeast जो है वो आपका, जब आप लोग पिज़्ज़ा खाते हो तो yeast जो है वो पिज़्ज़ा में भी यूज़ होता है बनाने में. ठीक है. द थर्ड वन इज अ ब्लैक फंगस that grow underground and is used in cooking, and that is truf truffle truffle. The fourth one is, that is the process of fungus feeding on sugar and turning them into alcohol, and that is fermentation. The fifth one is an edible fungus used in pizza toppings. पिज़्ज़ा टॉपिंग्स में जो यूज़ होते हैं, जैसे आप लोग पिज़्ज़ा जो खाते हो उसके ऊपर जो आपका लगा रहता है, तो वो क्या होता है, वो मशरूम होता है. मशरूम आपने देखा होगा पिज़्ज़ा के ऊपर में रहता है. द बॉडी ऑफ फंगस इज यूज्ड द बॉडी ऑफ फंगस इज कॉल्ड डैश विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ मिनट थ्रेड कॉल्ड हाइपाई, एंड that is I think mycelium. The seventh one is, the flap under the caps of toadstools are called no. The sixth hmm uh, okay. The eighth one is, dash is a fungal infection of the skin, and that is gills. The ninth one is, dash a type of plant is made up of fungus and algae and is spread over the surface of rock wall and trees, and that is lichen. The 10th and last one is dash is a poisonous fungus with a round, flat or curved head and short stem, and that is toadstool. Now, here is a fact that during its entire lifespan, a worker bees produce 1/12 spoon of honey. Okay, so this is enough for today. We will see the next chapter in next video. Till then, thank you so much.